What is up, guys? Computer MD of Gilbert here, and today I'm going to show you how to start collecting emails and building your email list in Wix. They have now made it a lot easier, so let's hop right into it. And yes, I know it's been a couple months since I've uploaded, but my Wix My Website series has gotten a lot of great feedback, and I've gotten a lot of questions and video requests, so I'm now here to help you out and answer those questions and requests. So let's get into it. We're gonna first go to the app market. Once we go to the app market, we're gonna type in conversion, and then you're gonna click conversion pop-up. Once you click that, you're gonna click add to site. It'll prompt you again. You'll click add app. Once you add the app, there's nothing actually to click up here because that's where the pop-up will be, but you'll click settings. Once you get into settings, we begin on starting your call to action. So you need to pick a template. So you could either collect emails, maybe you're trying to promote your ebook and you need their email to send it to them. That's what you could use here. You could do a call to action, yes, no question. The call to action, by the way, would be like sending them somewhere on your website or something like that. Feedback, you could collect feedback about a certain thing you may need feedback for, or you could even go ahead and display coupons. So if you have an online store here, this is perfect for that. Either way, I definitely recommend using this and taking advantage of it. Then you're going to put in your notification email. So if you get a new subscriber or you do collect feedback, you get a notification straight to your email letting you know that that happened. Once you do your templates, you're going to move on to your fields. Now you could add an image or a logo. If this is something you need to do, I would take advantage of it. But if you don't, there's no big deal. You don't need to add an image. It will probably help your conversions, however. And then this is where you customize your actual call to action, so based on your needs. So maybe you're saying, like, this is the default one. Wait, before you go, turn your exiting website traffic into customers. Again, default. I'm going to leave it default, but this is where you would customize your actual call to action and what it says and what you're wanting people to do. So once you get through that, you'll move on to styles. This is pretty straightforward. This is how you choose your actual style, the pop-up, how it looks, the color scheme, all of that, and your button colors, your text, how the font looks. This is where you go ahead and choose all of that stuff. So you could go ahead and pick how you need to do that and customize it to your needs. Finally, you're going to move on to rules. So you could either have a pop-up window or a full screen overlay. Usually the pop-up window works the best in my opinion. I think it helps your conversions because it's not completely across the screen, it's just a simple pop-up. And then you choose when it pops up. So if people are going to click the X, going to leave your website, it could pop up right then. Maybe you could give them an offer of a coupon, something like that. Or you could have it pop up immediately when people get onto your website, whatever you're going to have it display. And or you could choose a certain amount of time once people are on your website that it'll pop up. Usually this works the best, but however, conversions vary and you have to test it based on your own needs. But right now it's default after 10 seconds. Once you do that, you have to choose if it's going to be popped up to all your visitors or only your returning or only your new visitors. So maybe you have an offer for only new visitors. You'll have it pop up for just the new people that visit your website. Finally, you're going to choose your pop-up frequency. So do they get it once a day, once a month, or once per browser session, which means every time they open your website. You have to choose how that is going to go for you. Other than that, Wix has made it a heck of a lot easier to start collecting emails and build your email list here in Wix. I definitely recommend using it. And then finally, you could click preview right here and it'll show you how it would look to your customers. So that is how you add a conversion pop-up here in Wix and how to start adding and optimizing some lead generation. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please drop a like down below. I'm going to have a ton of Wix content coming up, so subscribe to me if you need to know more about that or want to know more about that. And if you have any video requests, please don't hesitate to comment down below, as I will answer your comments and work towards helping you out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope this video helped you out. Enjoy it and keep on building that website. See you guys.